Carney Battery Handling is a world leader in designing battery charging rooms and offers a full line of premium equipment. If you are thinking of building a new battery room or upgrading an existing one, you should consider some of the following unique equipment that Carney Battery Handling has developed for the harsh world of battery changing. First, say hello to the newest electric battery bull. This fully electric powered battery bull is not afraid of heights. He can grab batteries and stack them 2, 3, 4, 5 or even 6 high. All he needs is a friendly driver and a long line of lift trucks waiting for a battery change. He also sports some of the most unique features, such as zero hydraulics. That's right, no hydraulics. Lubed for life gearboxes. Yes, this means no maintenance. 1,800 pound pull, electromagnetic extraction. Yes, the strongest in the industry. Powered urethane bonded lead rollers to ensure positive grip on any battery. This means no more skewed batteries in the system. Simultaneous power on both lift and travel functions for faster changes. Electrically powered battery safety stops. These half-inch thick steel plates will keep all batteries safely inside the bull. User-friendly, logical controls and fully integrated safety circuits with a full-size operator's safety gate will keep the operator safe and secure at all times. This bull has it all. Now, let's take a close look at the battery racking system. This is the foundation of all well-engineered battery charging rooms. The entire structure is fully welded and then baked with acid-proof powder coat paint to withstand the harshest battery room environments. Battery safety stops are standard on every roller bed, and removable acid-proof polyethylene drip trays are located under each battery to capture all dirt and acid spills. Universal battery plug mounting plates are designed to accommodate all types of battery connectors, thus keeping the battery cables neat and tidy. There is no doubt that this racking system is the best in its class and will stand the test of time. Last but certainly not least is the ventilation system. Proper ventilation is crucial to health and safety in your battery room. However, cooler batteries also provide a huge benefit in keeping the operation up and running smoothly. Carney Battery Handling has developed a unique at-the-source extraction system that is fully integrated into their battery stands. The entire battery support structure is completely enclosed except for the front. This enclosure now becomes a fume hood around all of the batteries. Exhaust vents are then positioned directly on the back of each battery to draw fresh air across the entire battery bank. This cools the batteries and extracts the explosive fumes to the outside. This unique exhaust system stands head and shoulders above anything else in the industry today. Now, that's efficiency at its best. So, the next time you are preparing to rebuild or upgrade your battery room, call Carney Battery Handling. We are changing the world one battery room at a time.